guys, what's up? It's Brett and Sean from B&H, and we are in Colorado for the second annual Adventure Week. We're gonna be doing a bunch of crazy stuff all week long. First up is the Manitou Incline, is that right?
2,744 steps.
That's too many steps.
It seemed like the easiest adventure for the week, to be honest, because it's just a bunch of steps, right?
Yeah, right. Well, looking at it, I don't know. How are you gonna do?
I think okay.
Really? You gonna run it?
I'm gonna try to run it.
Okay.
Gotta get some running in.
We'll see how that goes.
We will. And we're rolling.
Ready?
Ready? No. Step one.
All right, that's not so bad. See you later.
All right, so we were about 10% of the way there. So right in the beginning, the slope isn't that bad. Deceptive, very deceptive. Because after those first 100 steps, it gets really hard. And the air up here is a lot thinner than down in New York City.
Super thin.
So we gotta just keep going. We gotta keep going. I don't know how easily you can see this, but about every 100 steps, there's this little plaque. It's really good to know your progress, but it's also really like, it's only been 100 steps and it's painful. So we're at 500. That means we got 2,244 steps to go. That front screen really is helpful. Getting everybody in the frame right here. We did it. We're at the top. 2768. That's what that last step said. It's more than they said. Just want to point that out. We're good. And relax. Look at that. Look at that view. First adventure is down. Now we just gotta head back down so that we can go to the next one. On to sandboarding at the Great Sand Dunes. We're gonna take this sled, got a couple sandboarders back there who are gonna try it out, and just gonna go down a couple times, shoot some photos, take some action shots with the Osmo Action, you know, just have some fun. We got Bjorn over here with the Osmo Action, and he's about to go down on a sandboard. And I'm gonna capture him with the Tamron 17-28. Got the A7 III on continuous high, so should be a good test of the autofocus. And it's a wide lens, so we get some great backgrounds with the dunes.
Okay, that was a lot harder than I expected. Hopefully we got some good shots out of that.
I think we did.
Yeah?
Yeah, I think we did pretty good.
All right, let's get on to the next adventure then.
All right, let's do it.
All right. Alright guys, we're in Idaho Springs, about to tackle some whitewater rafting. Bringing along the Osmo Action, capture some of the footage. Sean, what do you got?
I got a GoPro Hero 7 dusk white version, and I got my nice wrist mount.
Nice. I'm gonna go with the head mount, see if I can get a nice wide of everything that's going down. But we're about to jump on the boat and we'll check back in and see how it went. Yeah.
Where the Coors Brewery is, so all this water is turned into Coors Light.
All right, we just got off the water. It was amazing.
So awesome.
Took on those class 4s like experts, if you say so.
We killed it.
Used the action cams, and now we're headed off to the next stop.
Let's do it.
Adventure Week Colorado edition is coming to a close.
We did it.
It was a lot of fun. Got some great footage, amazing photos. So just let us know in the comments what you want to see us do next time. Winter's coming up, so that's always a lot of fun. And also just drop a line on what you think we should do next summer.
All right, so until next time, this is Brett and Sean and Bjorn. We'll see you later.